My drink water, chill.
You are ashamed of me. Thank you very much. I'm also ashamed of you and all your family.
I like play too much. People will be like, William, why do you like play? Why do you like playing too much? I'll be like, that's just me. Like, everything about me is play. You can see it already. Sure you get good. So how you guys doing? Yeah, I just want to introduce myself to you. Yeah, this is me. This is the real me. Like the other character is like TikTok. Do you get good? So I've said it before. I am Ogagbon. I don't know what to say. Hey, that's what YouTube channel be. Now let's switch it up. She gets good. Let's switch it up because I don't
have any time for any gossip.
Let's switch it up. Let me be this. Why not they form again? May I just be myself? She get good. Why you look me like that? Why you look me like that? I collect your money. No.
You didn't put you to come here and address me in such a rubbish manner.
So welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I don't talk about before. I don't know how many times I will talk about this. I don't even know about this thing. Just that I did fancy. IDP. So yes, I don't finally create this YouTube channel. So if you define gist, you define talk, you want laugh, come watch me. Yeah, click that subscription. I did it talk. I don't know. Oh la 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 la, oh la 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 la, oh la 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 la. So now they ask me, say, William, is this really you? William, is this really you? I never know. I open book, I look, I open bar, I look. So now you guys keep asking me, William, is this really you? Is this really you? Is this how you act in real ground, like real life? I don't know the second. You know, like basically, yeah, I don't know how to talk with this pigeon stuff and that, yeah. I was brought up in the UK, yeah, and for you to think that, yeah, William, this is how you behave or act, like, you know that any, like, it's a no. Baba. Yeah, I'm a UK citizen. Do you get good? I don't like using my UK accent to talk because I feel like it's just gonna bring the jealousy from people, because I know, yeah, people like to jealous a lot. But you might think that people don't do that shit. Yeah, they do. You have to sit your ass down, in your pom down, in your pom. You have to sit your ass down and let people enlighten you on human, because me, I don't like humans. Me, I am not a human being, no. I don't like humans. Humans are dangerous, yeah, dangerous. That's why, like, I don't want to tell people that I'm a UK citizen, because that will bring jealousy. Do you get good? You know that innit? I know. Side B. So you guys keep asking me, William, how did you make it on TikTok? Like, how was that even possible? It was too quick. It was like, I don't even know how to describe it, but you know what I'm talking about, right? Good. I don't know put it in again. Good. So you guys keep asking how did I do it? Like, let me just tell you, it's God. Anything you do it with God. Do you get good? How all this shit started was with Princess Nancy. Yes, I guess when I talked about she and her boyfriend acting those stage really, I might give them blue now, but I love them. They get good. I love them. They like to the stage relationship too much, and it vex me. before I come to TikTok like this, they did so everything. I felt the TikTok normally, like I do TikTok, I do TikTok videos, but I did watch TikTok now, like all these people they do all these things, like it dey vex me, like make I chook their heads. They vex me. So now I say, I'm not gonna fit shut up my mouth. I go must talk. She gets good. So that fateful day, I wrap this towel. Everybody know the orange towel guy. I wrap him, lie down for bed with my pillow, doing like this, talk. Like that thing was not planned though. That video, that day was not planned. Like I bring out the vaccination meeting my body, like the aggression to their body, because the thing they vex me. She said nah. Wait, when I watch the video, see. Watch the video.
Are you single?
See, he said that I want to add my boyfriend to see his reaction. Come on for road. Between adult plan. You know if you follow me to that one, I go must catch you. Now I come outside Soko. Now she replied to that video. I think the video lasted like 1 hour in her page. Now she deletes her. 1 hour, be 2 hours safe. Now she deletes her. Call block me. Tell her boyfriend block me. Tell her manager message me for Instagram. So the talks are empty, but I don't want to talk her out. But a manager message me. She get. But all that shit was cruise in a like a little bit of truth. She they get cruise with a little bit of truth. I tell her, say yes, yeah. Now cruise I did anything I did for TikTok is just for cruise, for the fun. But I want the money. Do you get good? But I just want everybody laugh because that's why I be. Do you get? Yeah. But now fun. But she can't block me. I don't pass. But no wala. Then after that one, I was seeing messages like, wow. This guy now truth. She they get good. Then I think after 2 days after 2 days after, yeah. Then I talk about soft. Yes, soft. That one will never pay me pass. That boy, you know, see that boy did my mind. I say, I must say this boy may stop this die of eating. Soft. Soft go die for me every year. Now me talk, even if you watch this thing, I'm not talking. Soft go die every year like this. Go say. Don't get out from me. Get out! Just die all your body. Mo just no say yes, you don't die the body. Should be. You do. Nah, come outside that soft one. But soft, yes. Everybody knows say yes, soft now. Fine boy, sure you get good. Soft now, fine boy. Everybody knows say soft now, fine boy. They know the drag on that one. But you go reduce that die. I just say I did TikTok, you go reduce that. Now I come out to that boss and I talk with my hands. You finish. I talk with my hands. I tell him, stop this die. Now he stop. He not stop and shy, but at least he reduce them. But when you see say I not to the talk again, cause start again, cause go do one balabala Esther, where the thing go be like bonnet here, like this. The thing go cover the inner beauty. The thing go cover the inner beauty. At that point, get sense. It cover the inner beauty. Cover on balabala tolu nyash. I think that was the second video. Yeah, may blow me up. Then the third one was Isaac Prince. May they date that short boy. That yes, now me talking. Yes, that short boy Dera. Dera. The boy may unfollow everybody. If we do, they wash him. I call your name. Yes, you shot. You not shot. You shot. If you do.
It is not what a man do. It can be possible.
Yes, I talk about that girl. When the girl they come and say, I call it talk about relationship. Me, she don't know. I first put because if you know everything about relationship, how you are that short boy to break up.
seen
You
that.
go tell me. Now I talk to one, now I talk to one. Everybody could shout, ah, this boy, she strong, she strong. I did tell truth. Now cruise though normal with a little bit of truth inside. She get good. I know keep person. Now truth I talk. You want to carry me go court? We go court. Make we go the court. Yes, make we go the court. The court, then I'll show them the video where I do. Then go follow me laugh. She get good. That TV videos now blew me. That was the first. I don't even lie. That was the first me blew me. Before, like I don't already blow for that TV videos already. I don't blow already. All those the alarm bar, different people was commenting like this is my favorite guy on TikTok right now. Like many people did comment. Sure you get good. Like I don't blow up for TikTok that time. That TV videos. Before Pes call me for the council, put me for the council that time. Right, for use tissue paper to serve my throat like this. Now I leave myself, now I fall from the mountain, now I use putting that ground. I stand up, now I cut my phone. If you do.
Of course I fucked up. Who never fuck up, hands in the air.
If you see me for really grounded, don't be like this at the art. So I can only act like this when I did very close to you. She gets good. But for real life, I did very cool. Like I don't used to talk to people. Very reserved. She gets good. Not that one now. I just start people like everything. But it was that first 3 videos like everything. Like I be funny guy, yes, I be funny guy. I will make you laugh, see belly. She gets good. So if you want blow for this TikTok, let me just tell you something. If you want blow for this TikTok, come with your own style. Do you get? Come with your own style. Not copy person. If you copy person, people will say you copy this person. I beg you. Come with your own style. Like me now. I've had to do my normal videos before. Like this my duetting of videos or the look the person with one kind of eye. But I see the thing not the blow. Then I came with my own style. Say, okay, yes, this I want me to know me for this thing. Say, okay, yeah. You understand? Like I try to let people, small TikTokers know how to blow for TikTok. Oh, she gets like, they look me, you're going. They just say this boy, the talk, I can just give you blow. Now waiting, I know I'm not perfect too, but now waiting me know. Now they tell you. So if another person know you, he will tell you. So I try to tell you now. Say, bring your own style on TikTok. Try to get good. Bring your own style.
Don't look at me like I owe you anything.
Good. My own style was bringing this orange towel and bonnet. Like everybody's gonna know me with this particular style. That oh yeah, this boy. Like when you talk about Bad Boy Willie outside, they'll be like, oh that boy, that orange toy guy. You'll be like, oh yeah. Like, oh I know him now. That guy is like very very funny. Do you get? Now I go for her. She dey get. So if you want come to talk, not come with you sounds like this, except say you want the very good inside. Now tradition you want to, yes, you fit do tradition, but make sure say your tradition is the best. It's gonna attract a lot of followers for you. Like yes. Then if you want a drag, let me tell you something about this dragging of a thing. It's sweet, so people go follow you. Like not people not go follow you too much, but this dragging of a thing, not insult person, not insult anybody. Like me, I know the insult person. I don't insult you. Why I will insult you? Let me get you. Whether you do nonsense for the TikTok lifestyle like this now, I go drag you the way your junior brother or your senior brother go take drag you, insult you. Sure you get? I'll just be like mumu. I don't even say mumu. Okay, I feel say mumu. Okay, yes, like it's a joke. I don't feel just say fool or use the B words. I don't want to call her. She get all the F word. You understand? Like I don't go just cross. Do you get? I don't go cross any dirty boundaries. This is something about dragging. So if you want drag, use your IQ. Say okay, yes. Do you get? Say this is what I want to do. Not insult anybody. People know they like me. They insult them. Not go nice. Not insult anybody. And make sure see if they can't drag, come with facts. and make sure see if they funny. If they track like that, I don't know sha, but na true the way I know she gets good. So if they come with dance, okay, everybody knows say you sabi dance. Make sure say you sabi dance. So let me say you see they try for the dance, you want to blow with dance inside TikTok, it's not gonna work.
Go back. Just go back. I bound you with the 4 embeders: fire, water, air, heads. She gets good.
So not try am. So they try to tell you, say if you want to come TikTok, come with your own style. They do that particular thing, one thing maybe they do. If you change and you sabi, like me now, I was doing this thing for like I think 2 months straight. Like everybody knows yes. I don't still give up with this story. I will still use I will still use I not get 1p because 9 people say know me. She gets good. So come with your own style. Even if I dress today, dress the whole world, this orange story, you go see the inside. She gets good. So thank you very much. Like the only way to talk with this, subscribe because I'll come with more dragging. I'll drag many TikTokers come this YouTube. So subscribe, tap that subscribe button. Yes, she gets good. Oh la la la. I know soon I go want see the Jessica. And I see Jessica, my female version. The Ashawo, she, Abi, yes, so they are swish. I just go. Why you they look me like that? Let's see happen. Have you shake your water? Why she cold? I didn't know if you like to answer me. How you back so? Yes, this is Jessica. Yes, now shower I be yes. Yes to all your word question, yes. Now shower I be. I am in love with one particular boy. His name is Ima. Ima they give me water now why I like Ima. Ima are the best. Like all the customer me that they carry me, Ima are number 1. Yes. See the way I think they get Ima attention. Like if Ima will be like, no, go carry me today. Just watch the way I think they get your attention. Ima, if you not do me today, who go do me? You go carry me. There, Ima go carry me. Yes. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel please, so you see more updates of this cat. Of this character, novice. If I to talk well, that's why I didn't miss words. Yes. And why don't they like talk well? So guys, please. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, subscribe. So you could get updates because I want the usual TikTokers inside this place. So you get good. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Tell me what you see when you look at me. My problem is that you